Me mother all day jail or something, I don't know. It really cut me up bad. Like, you know, and if me never strong in myself, my murder sitting. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, I want the them. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're on here for the first time, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. Leave a comment below. I really want to hear from you. Amazing. Now guys, in today's video I'm gonna be talking about betrayal, kind of like my betrayal story, or how I experienced betrayal, or one of my main betrayals that I've experienced throughout my years and how I dealt with it. It's very important because betrayal is one of those things that as human beings we all are gonna face it. So it's best that we know how to deal with it and heal from it and really move on. You understand? So that's what I'm here to help you with, guys, today, in terms of processing betrayal and getting over it. So let me just talk a little bit about like my first time experiencing, not my first time, but experiencing betrayal. You know, and if me never strong in myself, my murder sitting. Sorry, take out the murder part. No, seriously, if me never strong in myself, like I would have done something very unscrupulous. So I experienced betrayal from someone that I really cared about, you know. Really respect them on a level and look out for them 150%, and I got betrayed in such a way that me couldn't believe say it happened to me. You understand? Somebody where you believe in, somebody where you trust 150%, somebody where you tell your business and stuff like that. And sometimes y'all, like for me, I heard about my business and I was so shocked because I trust that person basically with my life, and they basically stabbed me in my back. I almost get a heart attack when I find out what was being done. Me mother all day jail or something, I don't know. Maybe not jail, maybe too extra. Guys, I'm really sick, so you can't cope with me, you know. I've been feeling sick from morning, but I still a push through and I do that video here. So experiencing the betrayal, I was in such shock because this is somebody that I confided in, I believed in 100%, I trust, and they just went behind my back and did the opposite of what I thought they were. You know, I thought they were a loyal person, I thought they were a truthful person, I thought they were someone that I could, you know, just run to for anything and they would never turn their backs on me, you know. And when I experienced betrayal from them, it really cut me up bad. Like, I don't even know if I couldn't find in my heart to say forgiveness, you know. But I just thank God for your heart why give me, because I have a very forgiving heart and stuff like that. And forgiveness don't mean say you gotta talk back to your person, because God show you certain things sometimes. They know that person they know with you, like forgive them but take them out of your circle. You understand? So at first when I experienced the betrayal, I was in shock. I couldn't believe say people them do it to me. I couldn't believe say people them go behind my back and stab me in my back, cut me up in my belly, give me uppercut and a bag of things, and then turn around and make it seem like say I did them something wrong, you know, because they wanted to look like the good person. The person betrayed me and then turn around and try to turn my friends and family them against me. My own friends and family them love and care about me. I know who I am at my core because they wanted to look good. I'm looking at myself and I go so boom, I can't believe this man, God give me strength to just be silent. You know? You see, when I know the truth, like you have just the guts to be silent because you know the truth. And me never know say my having me to be silent, but I was silent for all of the gaslighting. That is called gaslighting. When somebody tries slander your name to look good for them part. It's just really the hurt from them actually doing it what really affect me. Like, me just couldn't believe that them I do that. Would I expect it from anybody else in the world, but me never expect it from them. You understand? So after that I became very bitter, you know, like I just didn't want to have anything to do with the person. Me don't want them deal with me. You understand? That's how I felt about the situation. Then after a while I found out that having such hatred and hurt within yourself, it's not good for you as a human being. So you had to find a way to like let it go and forgive. You know, I never know someone could forgive, and the forgiveness is not for them, it was for me. I forgave them, but I still not deal with them like that. I not deal with them overall. I forgave them, but I don't deal with them. Yes, if somebody knows that they do wrong and them can't come to you apologize or say I did this wrong or whatever, I was wrong to do that, I don't believe you're worth my time. I don't need to waste the time for you because you're not a genuine person. You understand? I like being with genuine people. Some don't say I be a genuine people that pass Skylife TV. You understand? So the long and short of it is I was very bitter about the situation. I was in denial. I was shocked to the stage when I believe I could have forgive them. You understand? So the first thing I did to really process the betrayal, and these are things that you can do to help you get over betrayal. So the first thing is try to see what they're doing from their perspective. You understand? It's very hard to do that, but try to put yourself in the people them shoes and you try to get a thinking how them a think. I find that help you a whole lot, because when I put myself in the person's shoes, it means they're right what them are doing. You know? Remember, say you're that person here, you trust them. People can't betray you if you don't trust them or you don't believe in them. You trust them and believe in them. So you must have been around the person a while and know what type of person it is to know the mindset that they have and how they think. So one of the things that I recommend that you do is put yourself in the person's shoes. So try pre-it how them a pre-it. Instead say, oh, them a pre-it like this. You know mean say what them a pre right. You just look through for them as I say, oh, I saw them a pre. I saw them a pre. You understand? And that will help you a lot. Another thing that you should try to process is the bitterness. Anybody betray you, you're gonna be bitter. You're gonna want to be like back and forth in with them. And you know what, try to tell them to come off of your name and stuff like that. But yes, if you don't deal with the internal part of betrayal, it can mess you up. And how it will mess you up, you will try to pre everybody else up in your life. So then stay the same way. You will not trust again. You will not believe in anything people say or do or whatever. Like you just have this wall up then per se. Say you just not believe in people. You understand? So it's very important for you to let go of bitterness and just know that it is not your fault. Everybody have their reasons why they do things, and it's not for you to really validate it. It's their thing. If somebody does you wrong, you know, say you never do nothing wrong, so it depends them. You understand? So try let go of bitterness and like let yourself be free, your conscience clear. The third thing that you must do is forgive. Now, forgiveness is not for the other person. Forgiveness is for you. Forgiveness is for your growth, and forgiveness is for your well-being. Now, forgiving the other person is really accepting the situation for what it is, what they've done was wrong, and forgiving them, because them sometimes they not even realize what they do wrong. You understand? You just have to forgive them to move on, because if you don't forgive, you're gonna be stuck on the situation. You understand? You're not gonna move forward. In a life, you have to want growth. You understand? You have to want move forward. So the three things that you should try to process or do in getting over betrayal is: one, process the bitterness. Know what they do was wrong and accept it for what it is. Not everybody means you well. Not everybody is a good person. Not everybody still like you. So you need to stop. You need to protect yourself. And you need to stop view people like they are you, because everybody is different and everybody operates different. Two, try to see the situation from the person's perspective. Try to put yourself in their shoes and say why they do that. What they could not feel emotionally. What they think they go gain from it. You understand? And it's very like viewing it from another person's perspective. It is so powerful in terms of understanding a situation. May I tell you? So if you can put yourself together to view the situation from their point of view, even though their point of view could be wrong, just try and do that, and you'll better able to understand the situation. And the third thing is try to forgive. You know, forgiveness is not for you. Forgiveness is not for them. It's for you, with your healing and your moving on and you trying to get on with your life. Another point that I should touch on with the bitterness is, don't let this one situation like mess up your mind against everybody else, because as I said, not everybody is the same. You do have genuine people out there. I know that I'm one of them, and the Skylifers is one of them. So yeah, so you just have to know, so you protect yourself in the streets, because not everybody is genuine, not everybody is truthful, and not everybody is honest. You understand? If persons have a problem and they come to you, like, I believe that it can be dealt with better in terms of not betraying you as a person. So that's how I think you can overcome betrayal. I know that it's a very common thing in today's society. So try to see if you can use it to them and impact somebody else or impact on yourself for really analyze and handle betrayal better. So that video I really wanted to share with you. So please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. Leave a comment below. I really want to hear from you, and I appreciate you guys so much.